Well, I won't give specific questions that the interview panel will ask, but I will just talk in general terms about what we're going to look for during the interview. This gives you an idea of the questions we'll ask. We're going to ask about examples of leadership to overcome a challenge. So you'll want to think like, in your academic and professional career, when have I shown leadership? And how can I talk about that? We're going to ask you about your motivation. Why are you applying for this program? Why do you need to be in the United States for this master's program? And like I said before, Fulbrighters are cultural ambassadors. So we're going to ask about what evidence is there that you can thrive in a new environment, a foreign environment. Give us an example of when you've been in an uncomfortable or new situation. How did you adapt? Things like that. Those are sort of three of the big themes that we asked about during the interview.